Ever wanted your own AI that fetches instant answers from Wikipedia in real time and build it in just 4 minutes with no coding? You're in the right place. Today, we'll create an AI Wikipedia agent from scratch in only 4 minutes. This isn't just any tutorial. It's a high-energy, futuristic sprint. By the end, you'll have a personal wiki chatbot that can answer anything from quantum computing to Cleopatra, all without writing a single line of code. Let's do this. We'll use a popular no-code platform called Voiceflow. You could also use alternatives like Pipedream to connect to the Wikipedia API. Boom! Your project is ready. In this futuristic canvas, we're going to drag and drop our way to an AI chatbot. No code, just visual blocks. It's like digital Lego for AI. Great! The bot will now prompt the user and capture whatever topic they ask about, whether it's quantum computing, Cleopatra, or any Wikipedia topic. And just like that, our Wikibot can pull info from Wikipedia on demand. How cool is this? That's it. We've built the logic. The bot asks for a topic, queries Wikipedia, and then delivers the answer. All in just a few blocks, still zero coding. Moment of truth. Let's test our AI Wikipedia agent with real questions. We ask, what is quantum computing? Our Wikibot is on it.
According to Wikipedia, quantum computing is a type of computation that harnesses the collective properties of quantum states.
There it is. A concise explanation pulled straight from Wikipedia's vast knowledge delivered instantly. How fast was that? Our agent just answered a complex question in seconds. Let's try something completely different. Who was Cleopatra? The bot fetches, and bam!
According to Wikipedia, Cleopatra VII, Cleopatra was the last active ruler of the Ptolemaic Kingdom of Egypt.
Yes, we got a quick history lesson. Our Wikibot can handle ancient history and high-tech topics back to back. And we did all this in under 4 minutes. Talk about efficiency. You've just built a working AI Wikipedia chatbot without writing code. Take a moment to appreciate that. Seriously, this is the future. Think about it. A few minutes ago, this was just an idea. Now, you have a fully functional AI chatbot that taps into the world's knowledge. If you can do this, what else can you create? The power of no-code AI tools means anyone can bring their ideas to life. Today, it's Wikipedia. Tomorrow, it could be any API or AI service. Keep experimenting, keep building, and don't stop here. Maybe you'll connect this Wikibot to a voice assistant next, or build an app around it. The sky's the limit when creativity meets technology. Smash that like button if this inspired you, and subscribe for more AI no-code tutorials. Until next time, happy building and enjoy your new instant answer AI Wiki agent.